Samsung.
Michael, I can't believe you came. That's what she said.
Hey guys, welcome back. Samsung working on a new smartphone under its 2019 lineup Galaxy A series called Samsung Galaxy A60. आज हम उसी स्मार्टफोन के बारे में बात करेंगे. उसकी वीडियो भी लीक हो चुकी है. The handset has appeared in a leak online revealing its key specification and feature. This smartphone also appeared on a video where we see this smartphone come with a punch hole display that looks similar to Samsung Galaxy A8s. As reported by SlashLeaks, this smartphone will come a 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. At that time, this smartphone come with Infinity-U display as reported by SlashLeaks, but now it's confirmed that this smartphone come with a Infinity-O display. That means get a punch hole display. The screen will also feature a fingerprint sensor for security reason. There is smartphone powered by Snapdragon 6150 processor. So in other words, this smartphone come with Snapdragon 675 is a mid-range octa-core chipset from Qualcomm. Other leak specifications including 32 megapixel front camera and triple lens rear setup, consider 32 megapixel plus 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel. The device is said to be backed by 4500 mAh battery. It may come into two RAM variant, 6GB and 8GB variant with 28GB internal storage. And this smartphone comes with Android 9.0 with one UI. Meanwhile, the price of another smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A40, were leaked recently. According to the reports, Samsung expected to keep the price of Samsung Galaxy A40 less than Samsung Galaxy A50, and the price of Samsung Galaxy A60 will be more than Samsung Galaxy A50 price. So we will expect this price around 30,000 to 28,000. And some leaks also suggest this smartphone will be launched on April 19. April 19 को ये स्मार्टफोन लॉन्च हो जाएगा, ये कुछ लीक्स का मानना है. अब ये देखना पड़ेगा कब तक ये लॉन्च होगा. Okay, now let me know in the comment section what you think about this smartphone. We'll catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.